A synchro machine, also known as a synchro transmitter or receiver or a resolver, is an electromechanical device used for angular position and velocity measurement, often in applications like control systems, navigation systems, and robotics. Here's a guide on how to use a synchro machine. Understanding components. Familiarize yourself with the components of the synchro machine, including the stator, rudder, and transformer windings. These components work together to convert mechanical position or velocity into electrical signals and vice versa. Connectivity. Connect the synchro machine to the appropriate power supply and control system. Ensure proper wiring and connections between the synchro machine and other devices in the system. Calibration. Perform calibration procedures to ensure accurate measurement and transmission of position or velocity data. This may involve adjusting signal levels, zero offsets, and calibration factors to match system requirements. Operation. Apply mechanical input to the synchro machine to generate electrical output signals representing angular position or velocity. Monitor and analyze these signals using compatible instrumentation or control systems. Integration. Integrate the synchro machine into the broader system architecture, ensuring compatibility with other sensors, actuators, and control devices. Configure control algorithms or feedback loops to utilize synchro data for system operation and control. Maintenance. Regularly inspect and maintain the synchro machine to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Clean contacts, check wiring integrity, and replace worn components as needed to prevent malfunctions or inaccuracies.